Hey, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to SLM. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and answer a question. So I had this person here, I don't know if it's a woman or a gentleman, who asked me, who said that they signed up for a rise a long time ago. They want to work from home, they want to do the hours, and they want to spend more time with their daughter. They said they signed up a long time ago, but they never went ahead. They just saw the prices for the classes, and I guess it kind of like threw them off. So I just want to let you know, if the prices for the course, if that's what's stopping you from working from home, getting started with a rise. So I just want to let you know, currently at this moment, the courses are discounted. I'm looking at courses that are $19, $10. Courses I think are $24.99. So I'll just roughly say all the courses are under $30. And also at this time, there is a course that is free. So the course is 0.00, and that's for a limited time. So if you're looking to get started with a rise and working from home, go ahead and log in and take a look at these clients that are looking for agents to service. All right. So if you are not signed up with a rise, click the link below and you will be able to get some information on how to get started. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave any questions below in the comment section if you have any questions. All right, see you on the next video.